आउटकम्स मतलब जो यहाँ पे कम्युनिटी ऐसी हैं, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे उनके बारे में कि ट्राइबल पीपल कौन थे और उनकी ट्राइबल पीपल का जीवन कैसा था और नोमैडिक कम्युनिटीज़ जो इंडिया में यहाँ पे थी. तो वी विल डिस्कस इट ऑल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द इंटरप्ले बिटवीन ट्राइब्स, nomads and settled communities has shaped human societies throughout history. Each group has distinct lifestyle, cultures and social structures contributing to the diversity of human experience. मतलब हर किसी का अपना कल्चर होता है, अपना लाइफस्टाइल होता है, अपना रिलीजन होता है, मानने का तरीका होता है, सब चीज़ों को. ठीक है. इन लार्ज पार्ट्स ऑफ द सबकॉन्टिनेंट सोसाइटी वाज ऑलरेडी डिवाइडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल्स ऑफ वर्ण. वर्ण के अकॉर्डिंग बटा हुआ था. ठीक है. दीज रूल्स आर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय द ब्राह्मण वर एक्सेप्टेड बाय द रूलर्स ऑफ लार्ज किंगडम्स. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द हाई एंड लो एंड बिटवीन द rich and poor increase. So under the Delhi Sultan and the Mughals, this hierarchy between social classes grew further. Members of each tribe are united by kinship bonds. Many tribes obtained their livelihood from agriculture. Others were hunter-gatherers or herders. Most often they combined these activities to make full use of the natural resources of the area in which they lived. So some tribes were nomadic and moved one place to another. मतलब जो कुछ tribes कुछ ऐसी होते थे, कुछ समूह ऐसे होते थे जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते थे. A tribal group controlled land and pastures jointly and divided these amongst households according to its own rules. So who were tribal people? Okay, who were tribal people? Tribals are the people who live in a group. मतलब समूह में रहते थे. कौन होते थे? इनको आदिवासी कहा जाता था. तो आदिवासी लोग कौन थे? तो ये समूह में रहते थे. हैव देयर ओन ट्रेडिशन. इनका अपना अलग ट्रेडिशन, अपना कल्चर, अपनी जीवन होता था जंगलों में. जो आदिवासी हैं, ट्राइबल्स वर फाउंड इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी रीजन ऑफ द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. जो आदिवासी हैं वो हर रीजन में पाए जाते हैं. ईच ट्राइब हैड इट्स ओन कस्टम्स, ट्रेडिशंस एंड लाइफस्टाइल. या हमारी जो कॉमन जो लाइफस्टाइल है उससे बिल्कुल चेंज होती है. ठीक है, इनकी आदिवासी की. सम वर स्मॉल ट्राइब्स, कुछ छोटे आदिवासी होते हैं. अदर वर्स लार्ज एंड पावरफुल, कुछ बड़े और पावरफुल होते हैं. द ट्राइबल्स जनरली रिसाइड इन एरियाज दैट वर रिमोट एंड ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड डिफिकल्ट टेरेन्स. हेंस दे रिमेन आइसोलेटेड एंड कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. इन इंडिया वी कॉल दीज ट्राइबल पीपल एज आदिवासीज. So tribal people or the Adivasis have been declared by the government as minority group in India. तो इनको कौन से ग्रुप में रखा जाता है? Minority group में. Problems to know more about the tribal societies. There are many problems to know about the tribal societies. They are. What are? The tribal people did not keep written record. उनका कोई आदिवासी जो है उनको कोई लिखित में रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. The tribal people did not easily let outsiders into their areas of habitation. वो बहुत जल्दी से ना कुछ बाहर के लोगों को अपने में एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते, ना वो खुद एडजस्ट हो सकते हैं. The tribal people generally lived in remote areas such as dense forests, hills, mountains and deserts which were extremely difficult to reach. So as a result, outsider hardly had any contact with them. Occupation. इनका ऑक्यूपेशन यानी इनका रोजगार क्या होता है, क्या करते हैं ये लोग? मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द ट्राइबल पीपल वर एग्रीकल्चर, हर्डिंग एंड हंटिंग. दे डिपेंडेड ऑन द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द रीजन, सो दे लिव्ड इन. सम ट्राइब्स settled down in an area permanently while others led a nomadic lifestyle and moved from one place to another. So settled agriculturists remain few in number. Tribal and nomadic communities of India. Today, India has one of the largest tribal population in the world. There are currently 60-65 million Adivasis in India. During medieval times, some of the prominent tribes were the Gonds, Bhil, Oms, Gujjar, Banjara and the Santhals. The Gujjars, Khokars and Bhattis lived in the hills north of the Jhelum. In some places in the Gujjars controlled large area and were very powerful. Okay, so in South India, the Badgas were one of the largest native groups and they lived in the Nilgiris. So they had their own language, Badga, which was similar to Kannada. Their main deities were goddess Gangama and Hatha. The other tribes in South India included the Toots, Koots, Kurumbas and Irulas. So the Tots are a small pastoral community living in the Nilgiris. Life of the tribal people. The tribal people lived in groups. Most of them lived a nomadic life. When the supply of food for these animals got exhausted in an area, they moved to another area. So they exchanged milk, honey, wool, ghee and so on with the settled agriculturists for grain and various other products. Religion. इनका धर्म क्या होता है? The Adivasis revere nature and believe that there is life in everything around them. Different tribes have different gods. So the Bhil believe in Bhagwan or Bholo Ishwar, who is their supreme god. In central India, their religion revolves around the Sarna or the sacred grove, which functions as a place of worship. Changing nature of tribal society. With the passage of time, tribal groups began to change their culture. Many of them began to lead a settled life and adopted better methods of agriculture. Many tribal customs, ceremonies and gods also became part of the existing culture. During the period of 8th to 18th centuries, some of tribes became dominant. Those that controlled the key trade routes and forest resources became very powerful. So the Mughals tried to extract either taxes or service from these tribal people. The Gonds and the Ahoms were two tribal groups who established powerful independent kingdoms. The Gonds. The Gonds were one of the largest, most powerful and popular tribal communities in central India. So the name Gond comes from the Telugu word Konda, which means a hill. Today, groups of Gonds are found in central India that include parts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, eastern Maharashtra, northern Andhra Pradesh and western Odisha. Historically, the land of the Gond is Gondwana or Gad, Katanga in central India. So there are subgroups among the various parts of the Gond region were ruled by the Rajput dynasties. The important Gond kingdoms had their capitals or headquarters at Mandla, Kerala, Deoghar and Chanda. Interestingly, all of the Gond capitals were located close to a Pilor river. ज़्यादा कहाँ पर? पहाड़ों के नदियों के किनारे, मतलब उनके पास. The Gonds had a centralized administrative system. The kingdom was divided into Gads. So each Gad was under a particular God clan. So this was further divided into units of 84 villages called Chaurasis. The Chaurasis was further subdivided into Barots. The most powerful and famous Gond ruler was Rani Durgavati of Katanga. The Rani faced bravely the army of the Mughals, but she did not accept the proposal of. The main occupation of Gond is agriculture, but some also practice cattle rearing. Their chief crops are millet, maize and pulse. Monsoon crops in winters, wheat, cotton and oilseeds. The farmers use traditional methods of agriculture. In fact, some of the Gond subgroups practice slash and burn cultivation, jhum cultivation. The Ahoms are a part of the Shan tribes. They belong to Assam, which is presently a northeastern state. According to some historians, the name Assam is derived from Ahom. The original homeland of the Ahoms may have been China. From there, they migrated to Burma, now Myanmar. In the 13th century, they came to Assam. The first Ahom king was probably Sukpa. He ruled for 40 years from 1228 to 1268. So the Ahoms had a tribal setup. The village community was very powerful. So it allotted land to peasants based on their needs. The peasant cultivated food, crops, particularly rice on their land. Peasants and others also had to serve in the army. So during war, people lived in houses made of bamboo. In the 18th century, some Ahoms adopted Hinduism as their religion. So, however, worship of tribal gods continues. Rudra Singh was the most powerful Ahom ruler. He ruled from 1696 to 1714. He and the later rulers compiled to the Buranjis or Ahom historical works. In the 19th century, Assam became a part of British India, so the Ahom still live as a small tribal group in Assam. ओके, सो ये थी आदिवासी और कुछ कम्युनिटीज, कुछ ग्रुप्स ऐसे थे, ठीक है, जिन जो अभी तक भी हैं, इनकी अपनी अलग एक प्रजाति होती है. ओके, सो द ऑल टॉपिक्स आर कवर्ड हियर. I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.